Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO F5 Pro and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then let's scroll and tap on always on display and lock screen. Now we have to tap on sleep option, and as you can see here we've got a wide range of options from 15 seconds to even 10 minutes. Currently I've got this one option applied, and all you have to do in order to change it is to simply tap on the option like to use. So for example, after tapping on 2 minutes, my device will black out after 2 minutes of inactivity. However, I think I will like to have it like 10 minutes. Alright, so basically this is it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.